Hi, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. I've got another exciting video in this series that I've mentioned. I just obtained a huge collection of toys from an avid collector, and I'm going to open these boxes live on my YouTube channel. So I want to go ahead and open the second in the series of boxes or bins right now. This particular bin, and these aren't in any particular order by the collector, he just made sure that they fit in the bins properly. This one, just by the outside of it, looks like it's got a lot of Japanese toys. And for those of you that are toy collectors, a lot of the toys that are made for our market originated in Japan, whether it be Godzilla, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! They're the source of where a lot of this starts. Micronauts from the 70s, Shogun, even Transformers was based upon a Voltron, which was a Japanese toy. So a lot of stuff originates in Japan. So without further ado, I'm going to start looking at these online, and this is Ultraman. And he did tell me there was a whole bunch of Ultraman toys. So you can see, these are made by Bandai, it looks like. There's another Ultraman toy. He's very popular in Japan. I think in one movie decades ago that he fought Godzilla. And this one looks like it's a little bit more vintage of a piece. But he loved his Ultraman. And oh, this is an Ultraman. This is gosh, I forgot the name of that series. But looks like we've got some of those in here as well. All kinds of them. And here's another Ultraman. What do we got here? We got something bigger. It looks like a Japanese Godzilla set. It looks like it's got Mecha Godzilla in it and some smaller plastic Godzilla figures in there as well. I'm gonna try to do it two at a time. I think these were called Masked Rider, I think is, and they're kind of a Mego style box, which is kind of cool. Boy, there's all kinds of them. And I think there's a US version of this toy line as well. I think I've had some of those in the past. There's a couple more here. What else have we got here? Oh, this is more Ultraman. And he's got a lot of different versions of him. What else do we have in here? When looks like more of the Masked Rider series. These are all going to be up for sale on our website, which is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And if you want to continue to watch these videos, I have this collection, I think came in about 61 bins and boxes similar to this. So we've got a lot of stuff from the 70s up until current. Some kind of, looks like it might be a Diecast Transformer type vehicle. I'll have to check that out. If you want to watch these videos, like us on Facebook or our YouTube channel, and you'll see these videos. I'm planning on doing them pretty quickly. I want to get this stuff up for sale so the collectors can all get their hands on it. What else do we got in here? So this looks like more Masked Rider stuff. And it's kind of cool to see it in the Japanese packaging. Might not be for everybody in this US market, but certainly much harder to find than the US versions of it. Looks like some kind of die-cast Ultraman vehicle, airplane. What do we got here? All right, and then we have another, looks like Auto Tiger. And I think it might be from a series called Guts. I think that was what this one was as well. So that might be some kind of transforming type vehicle as well. There's another Ultraman figure. Getting to the end of this box. But more Ultraman. Some kind of kit. I think that's another Masked Rider. But there's some kind of model kit. And what else do we have here? These are a little bit bigger scale Ultraman figures. And more Masked Rider. More Ultraman, more Ultraman. This feels like a model kit. So a little bit of, a lot of different Ultramans here. This is an Ultraman, looks like some kind of deluxe figure. So we got a lot of cool stuff here. Oh, here's, again, that Guts wing. So this is part of the Ultraman's line. He must have an airplane that he fights crime with. And here's the glitter Ultraman. And there's another, this is a dual set of Ultraman as well. So a lot of cool stuff. There's only a few little things left in the box. Another Ultraman and a couple of little mini figures as well. They're all sealed and packaged. They're all in good shape. So these will be up for our for sale relatively soon, hopefully in the next few days. Again, the website is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And if you love Ultraman and Masked Rider, it looks like we've got a lot of stuff for you. Look forward to the next video.